Disubai Patuak Ramlong Jirpo NGO Tumpen Superstitious Belief of Patak Cherok Tau Jai Mek Kipaman. Dokmuka Auditorium Hall along Congress of the Joint Extended Meeting Kipadopon. United Christian Forum Hamren Pen Pre-Christmas Catalan. Karbi prime time along penili villaban kropi non biur tang ton pen arjek tha disubai pathua klamalong mati joni phai hini arni jerpo NGO ton pen ke kroi mang ho patha radamai pi ke paldo pona biurta karti sosa hemalong biurta na pale Jirpo NGO Bidisar Sabsing Temong Pen Kicharipon Amailong Jirpo NGO Amaipu Isak Pangcho Pen Simai Ki Phalam The Lapen Aluhi Ki Pachinia Por Enru Labang Soja Megalong Aluhi Aman Pen ADC Norsing Bay Advocate Tonison Lekte School Inspector Katharson Ingti Bokulia Police Station Second OC Chodrakanta Bhuyan Karbi Employees Association Tudipia Mai Rapkong Chunbang Dilip Rongpi JE Joy Singh Terong Indian Red Cross Karbi Anglong Aru Disaster Secretary Mensing Rong Hang Pen Chenglok Sarkari Rongasar Penan Parta Ogdong Radatum Chetong Rusi Mai Ardi Dojot Pen Pachun Pon Labang So Mai Long ADC Norsing Bay Pen Difficult Advocate Tonison Lek The Pen Chenglok Aluhi Doan Pen Kithana Teng Pulote Superstitious Mate Kroy Mang Huke Kroy Nang Nila Pen Ason Kahon The Pen Ahemarit Ki Pripi Areng Huke Paso Penan Parta Apranamui KNK Kang Sairon Thepik Lapen Adayareng Ta Thepik Alam Hai Hui Pen An Mesen Alam Mate Bidisuri Pitikak Semaying Samjin Pen Pachun Pon Bangso Cherok to Amai Ki Padopan Koklake Kedam Tang Ardi Subaya Hawaralo Kroy Mang Hualam Pen Apran Kedam Nangalam Pen Si Padopan Koklop Si Jirpo NGO Dihin Rimbang The Beshwar Singh Nar Him Pen Pherangkia Pan Pachini Dokmuka Auditorium Hall along Matijoni Pai Hini Arni Adapor Pai Kresia Pormalong Pen Kores Ratcharia Song Hin Pen Constituency Hinia Baha Mahamaya Pen Korkanti Constituency along Kido Congress Tum Ching Room Se Joint Extended Meeting Ke Paman Pona Biota Pherangki Pen Biota Napali Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Barin Bidasing Rong Pi Pen Kecharipon Amailong Aluhi Sarpa Man Pen MP Biren Singh Ingti Chetong Dun Lapen Bangso Amailong Kachaphalu Hia Tumlake EM Barim Ashok Teron Lapen Karbi Anglong District Committee Mohila Morcha Maipi Kasang Terang Pi Pen Chenglo Congress Ratcharia Songalong Klem Bang Phubang Phia Tumta Chetong Dun Si Mai RDP Dun Labang So Amailong Independent Lapen BJP along Klem Dun Ningki Phophe Pen Mahamaya Constituency Pen Don Chris Yatum Congress along Chingpe Dun Lason Thak Thaksi Korkanti Penta Don Phokebra Sirkep Tum Chingpe Dun Mailong BJP government atum ki claim kedam ningki phophe pathak EM Barim Ashok Teron Lapen non ki khibom MP Biren Singh Ingti atum pen Mailong kachitaw dun rat angno jai non ki wangji MP kilik ke Congress pen kachitoy dun abang phai bahai dun lonang pen kilik highway poputa rat angno EM Barim Bidasing Rong Pi pen lam thi ke jai padu
Excellent independent as like BJPO এটা মই যেটো চালু বা 2000 মান BJP সদস্য আজি জয়েন কৰিছে কিন্তু আমাৰ মদিন তাকো খুবা মই ভাবিছো আমাৰ কংগ্ৰেছৰ আপুনি আহি আছে কংগ্ৰেছৰ চাব খুব বেছিকৈ আৰু এমাউণ্ট ভিতৰত 995 BJPৰ পৰা আৰু আমাৰ বিভিন্ন সম্পৰ্কটো জয়েন কৰিব আহি আছে সমগ্ৰ নিৰ্বাচন আপুনি চিন্তা নকৰিব কংগ্ৰেছ জিকি আছে MPও জিকিব এই থকা MLও জিকিব আৰু MCও জিকিব এইটো আমি সম্পূৰ্ণ নিশ্চিত
United Christian Forum Hamren Pen Batirpi Ponsi Matijoni Pai Hini Arni Hamren Ward number 3 Porbot LP School Pathua Klamalong Pre Christmas Catalan Ke Padopona Biota Pherangki Hundor Kropen Karni Sosa Hemalong Biota Nakpale Nilining Arong Pick Up Biota Keme Wanlu Laki Kadokawe Arat Tomaphat Luke Twist to Tana Thepi Besi 2018 Pre Christmas Adiralon Pen Catalan Jamek Pachun Pon Adapor Pai Kebraj Team Apor Pen United Christian Forum Hamren Maipu Reverend Tilson Rongpi Pen Mai Chipan Puponsi Pre Christmas Jamek Arnamaphan Kiro Karjo Pen Sipadoponlu BCI Hamren Atum Pensi Praise and Worship Angleng Pachun Pon ICI Hamren Atum Pen Kachaphat Ten Christmas Koyer Kachetong Don Ara Atumangnu Parjupon Anparta Play Jama Monduli Atum Penta Christmas Alun Parjupon tu Reverend N.E. Inghi Pen Ajoksi Athibia Lamte Ingsir Ing Chapon Sik Kithan Pajemi Padupon Alang Lipen Christmas Katalon Kenang Sot Lapen Kosong Sit Katalon Nangjima Alam Thik Kithan Pajemi Pon Namalam Sopor Panbir Tamang Tipanik.
Good news! Free coaching for Matric candidates 2019 from 5th December 2018 to 5th February 2019 for the following subjects: General Mathematics, General Science and Hindi at Lower Basic LP School near Town Committee Office, Depot, Karbi. For caste, STH, STP, SC, General and OBC are welcome. Organized by Karbi United People's Association, Central Committee, Depot. For admission forms and details, please contact Assistant General Secretary Mr. Joy Singh Timong 936596726, Education Secretary Mr. Jacob Togby 936508871, Office Secretary Mr. Lee Sonteron 6900715216.
Aturkimi Academy Jifu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 am to 1 pm. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society. GR Infra Projects Limited. Plot number 80, Brahmaputra Industrial Park, Amingaon, Guwahati 781031. Products: bitumen emulsions, coal mix emulsions, PMB, CRMB, metal crash barrier, thermoplastic paint and bitumen all grades, etc. MS Macro Engineering, authorized dealer. First floor, Cooperative Building, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Contact number 9435533710 or 8638223203 or 8628441464. Please tap in Ishan Motors, a showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Aturkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atolkimi Outlet opposite Langpidahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesiri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, Thelua Kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihanamo people thadbir talong wangthulu. Disobai pathua klamlong mati jongni phai hini arni head upahi ke convention pen ke pachun pona birta kadnu salok inu chirok toka bang phu pen birta na pale. Labang soja mekalong aluhia mana peng pen Dr. Mongvi Rokpi, Silawar Be, KSC Tiripia Maya Mai Pusimian Rongpar, Mozadar Doloi Terang, Sorkari Gangbra, Rongasar Pen Chenglok, Lucipo Ren Sing Ingti, Khoya Sing Tokbi, Kolam Sing Teron, Lamding Terang, Khoya Sing Terang Penan Parta Ongdu, Disobaya Raltum Chitong Dun Sing Jamek Mesen Pen Pachun Pon Lupusi, Sing Hason Karbi Jutang Aterang Gamai Pu, Lapen Chunbang Juna Sing Rong Hangahin Pen Pachini. Center Denki Mo Pamalong Ta Matijoni Pai Isi Arni Sumindar Adangalong World AIDS Day Katalon Along Pachaton Dunsi Puluni Youth Assembly Atum Penta World AIDS Day Katalon Dun Lapen Anpada Rakia Hormo Botak Tachirok Tomai Kepa Dupona Birda Pedang Kepen Karni Sasai Hemalong Birda Nang Pale Sachin Rongpi Pen Kecharipon Amayalong Alui Sarpo Man Pen Puluni Constituency MSC Dorsing Rong Hang Chetong Dun Lapen Anparta Kachop Haluhia Man Pen Difficult College Zoology Department Assistant Professor Ranjit Hanse Puloni Public Health Center Pen Dr. Sarthe Ronghang Loring Thepi Public Health Center Pen Dr. Bodon Chandrakro MSc Achar Sangpi Sabina Teronpi Uttar Borbil Police Outpost in Charge Manta Chakraborty Harokhat BDO Biswajit Rongpi Diffu Recreation Park Camp Biodiversity in Charge Jameson Crow Lapen Dengkiwo English High School Tam Hidi English School Jeng Rongpi English High School Lotichari English ME School Mirdan English School Karko English High School Lapen Tarabasa ME School along Thanbang Lapen Lochar Lao Samaratumta Chitong Dunsi My RDP Dun Karbi Prime Time Birta Bangkila Panskang Ton Paniklo Dumit help me Korang 2